Choosing your first motorcycle is a big moment, and in 2026, new riders have some truly great options. Smooth, comfortable, and easy to grow with. Today, we're looking at the top 7 best motorcycles for beginners in 2026. Let's begin with number 7. Honda CB300R, the 2026. Honda CB300R continues to be one of the best motorcycles for new riders because of its simplicity, comfort, and extremely light feel. Honda refined the throttle response this year, making the bike even smoother at low speeds, which is exactly what beginners need when learning clutch control or riding through traffic. The 286cc single-cylinder engine is calm, predictable, and surprisingly efficient, giving riders enough power to grow without ever feeling overwhelming. The biggest strength of the CB300R is its balance. The bike feels incredibly light the moment you take it off the stand, and the narrow frame makes it easy to control in tight spaces. Honda kept the Neo Sports Cafe design, adding new LED lighting and color options that give the bike a premium look despite its beginner-friendly nature. The upright ergonomics help new riders stay relaxed, and the comfortable seat makes longer rides enjoyable. The suspension has been retuned for 2026 to absorb bumps more effectively, making the bike feel both stable and forgiving. Maintenance stays extremely affordable, and Honda's reliability means new riders can focus on learning, not repairing. For someone's first real motorcycle, the CB300R is a simple, confidence-building choice that makes riding feel natural from day one. Number 6. Yamaha MT-03. The Yamaha MT-03 remains one of the best beginner motorcycles because it combines lightweight handling, friendly power delivery, and a design that feels modern and exciting without being intimidating. The 321cc parallel twin engine is incredibly smooth and offers just the right amount of energy for new riders. It's quick enough to be fun, but not so aggressive that it overwhelms someone starting out. Yamaha updated the MT-03 suspension for 2026, giving it better support during cornering and improved comfort on rough streets, something beginners really appreciate as they learn to handle different types of roads. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and low weight make the MT-03 feel stable and easy to control. Even slow-speed maneuvers become simple because of how naturally the bike responds. The new LED lighting and aggressive styling add a bold look, which often appeals to younger riders or beginners who want something sharp without jumping into a high-powered machine. Colors like Midnight Cyan and Storm Black give the bike strong personality while still keeping that dark side of Japan identity Yamaha is known for. What makes the MT-03 perfect for beginners is how quickly a rider can build confidence. Every part of the bike, the engine, the brakes, the handling, feels supportive and well-balanced. It's a motorcycle that helps new riders grow naturally. Number 5. Kawasaki Eliminator 500. The 2026 Kawasaki Eliminator 500 is one of the most beginner-friendly motorcycles available, thanks to its low seat height, neutral riding position, and smooth, approachable engine. The 451cc parallel twin delivers calm, steady power that helps new riders learn without fear of sudden acceleration. Kawasaki refined throttle mapping for 2026 to make the low RPM response even more predictable, which is exactly what beginners need. One of the Eliminator's biggest strengths is comfort. The upright ergonomics allow riders to relax their shoulders, the foot pegs are placed naturally, and the low seat helps new riders feel in control at stoplights or slow speeds. Kawasaki tuned the suspension to offer better support over bumps and uneven roads, creating a smooth, everyday ride perfect for commuting or weekend cruising. The styling is sleek, modern, and minimalistic. New colors like Pearl Nightshade Black and Metallic Gray give the bike a clean, premium look without appearing aggressive. The weight distribution is balanced, making the bike easy to maneuver, especially for riders who are still building confidence. The Eliminator 500 is ideal for beginners who want a motorcycle that feels friendly and predictable. It doesn't push the rider. Instead, it supports them. It makes daily riding simple, calm, and enjoyable, which is exactly what a first bike should do. Number 4. Suzuki GSX-2 50R. The 2026 Suzuki GSX-2 50R is one of the best beginner sport bikes because it focuses on comfort, control, and predictable performance rather than overwhelming power. For new riders who want a sporty look without the intensity of larger bikes, the GSX-2 50R is the perfect balance. The 248cc engine is smooth and manageable, offering enough strength for city riding and relaxed highway speeds while remaining easy to handle. Suzuki improved the suspension for 2026, giving the bike a more stable ride and better front-end feel, something beginners really appreciate when learning cornering basics. The ergonomics are slightly sporty but not extreme, making it comfortable for everyday use. The seat height remains beginner-friendly, and the lightweight chassis helps riders feel confident during low-speed maneuvers. Suzuki added new styling updates this year, including sharper LED headlights, a refreshed fairing design, and colors inspired by their MotoGP legacy. Despite the sporty appearance, the bike is calm and welcoming to new riders, making it an ideal first motorcycle for those who love the sport bike style. Maintenance costs remain low, and Suzuki's reputation for reliability gives beginners peace of mind. The GSX 250R is a motorcycle that offers the excitement of a sport bike while keeping everything controlled and confidence building, perfect for riders who want to start safe and smart. Number 3. Royal Enfield Hunter 450. The 2026 Royal Enfield Hunter 450 is a fantastic beginner motorcycle because it combines modern performance with approachable handling and a comfortable riding posture. Built on Royal Enfield's new 450 platform, the Hunter has a smooth, torquey delivery that makes city riding extremely easy. The updated 450cc liquid-cooled engine offers just the right amount of power for new riders, energetic but not intimidating. One of its biggest strengths is confidence. The Hunter 450 feels lightweight and agile, with a frame designed to make low-speed turning and slow traffic easy. Riders immediately notice how calm and stable the bike feels, and the upright ergonomics make long rides comfortable. Royal Enfield improved the suspension this year to make the ride smoother on rough roads and more supportive in corners. The styling is modern, simple, and youthful. The round LED headlamp, compact dimensions, and fresh color options give the bike a clean, urban look that appeals to younger and mature riders alike. Despite its modern upgrades, the Hunter remains one of the most affordable and reliable motorcycles in this class. For beginners, the Hunter 450 delivers an ideal combination of comfort, style, and predictable performance. It helps riders build confidence naturally, and without ever overwhelming them, making it one of the best first motorcycles for 2026. Number 2. Suzuki SV6 50. The Suzuki SV6 50 might surprise some people on a beginner list, but it absolutely earns its place here, especially for mature riders or bigger riders who want a motorcycle that feels stable, smooth, and extremely trustworthy. The 2026 SV650 continues its long reputation as one of the most beginner-friendly mid-weight motorcycles ever built. The 645cc V-twin engine delivers power that is gentle at low RPM, yet satisfying as confidence grows. What makes the SV650 work for new riders is its balance. Despite being a mid-weight bike, it feels light on its feet. The ergonomics are neutral and comfortable, making it perfect for commuting or weekend rides. Suzuki improved the throttle response and engine refinement this year, giving the SV a smoother feel in slow traffic. Great for beginners still learning clutch control. The updated suspension offers better support over uneven roads, and the redesigned seat helps reduce fatigue during longer rides. The 2026 styling features cleaner body lines, improved LED lighting, and colors like pearl solar yellow and metallic matte black. For beginners who want a motorcycle they won't outgrow quickly, the SV650 is one of the best choices. It's predictable, forgiving, and incredibly enjoyable, offering new riders a calm path into mid-weight motorcycling. Number 1. Honda CBR 500R. The 2026 Honda CBR 500R takes the number 1 spot because it delivers the perfect blend of comfort, smooth power, and beginner-friendly design. Honda updated the 471cc parallel twin engine this year, giving it a more refined mid-range and a calmer low RPM feel, something beginners appreciate as they learn throttle and clutch coordination. The CBR 500R has a sporty look, but a surprisingly comfortable riding position. The handlebars aren't too low, the foot pegs aren't too aggressive, and the seat offers great support for long rides. Honda improved the suspension for 2026, giving the bike better stability during braking and cornering, which helps beginners feel more confident as they learn proper riding technique. Styling updates include sharper bodywork, slimmer LED headlights, and cleaner lines that make the bike look more premium. Despite its aggressive appearance, the CBR 500R remains one of the easiest motorcycles to ride. It offers enough performance to grow with the rider, yet stays predictable and forgiving. What makes it number one is its overall balance. It's smooth, comfortable, reliable, fuel-efficient, and incredibly confidence-building. For beginners in 2026, the Honda CBR 500R is one of the smartest and safest motorcycles you can choose. And that wraps up our list of the top 7 best motorcycles for beginners in 2026. Which one would you choose as your first motorcycle? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your pick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.